Guys, it's your girl Jay Sotastic from Jay Sotastic. So what? I don't know, but we talking about some more upcycling today. How y'all doing? I'm doing great. I just wanted to give y'all a little bit of behind scenes of what I'm working on, what's on my table. These are some tops that I purchased, thrifted at the Goodwill, and I revamped them for as a gift for someone. So I cut the back out, and then I put this panel in with some African cloth fabric that I had, and these are for a guy. And then these jackets are women's jackets, so the buttons were on the right side, so I had to take them and cut them and then put them on the left side. And then he wanted a panel of the fabric going down the front, so and I did all that with a glue gun. I wasn't doing no sewing. The back panels are sewed in. And then he also had a black one that I had gifted him as for a birthday gift. It has this on it, then it has a little words on it. We have a little stepping group called the Blacketeers, and so that's what, instead of the Musketeers, we are the Blacketeers. So yeah, so I'm finally finished with that little project. So your girl been busy while she's on vacation, and I also had to do the same thing with this. I had to cut it, switch the panels on each side, and then he wanted a panel going down the front, so then I did that as well. So that's what's been on my table. I hope you enjoyed the last video that went up. It was supposed to be a tutorial, but I actually kind of like made it and showed it and, did a reveal for it. So I thought, what would it be nice for me to do a real tutorial, like a, step by step. So I went and cut out the pattern again, the top again. So I went and cut the top out again, and I'm sewing it in this color here. Yeah, so this is the color that I will be sewing it in. And I also made the skirt for it already, and I will be showing that step by step. So get ready for that. And now that I'm back at it and I'm back to work, so it's only really like, I called it 4 pieces, 5 pieces to this, and I called this the interfacing, but it is just the facing. There was no interfacing. I should have made some interfacing. So what I'm going to do, and I cut this wrong, so I'm supposed to cut 2 of the fabric and 2 of the interfacing. So I didn't cut it wrong. I just didn't cut the interfacing yet. I want to put the interfacing in, and I want to try to do the zipper that goes along the back of the top. I've never done a zipper before. And so I went to Hobby Lobby, and this is the closest they had to the color of the zipper. I will either use this one or use the white one. I don't know. So I need to make a decision about which zipper I'm going to use. And zippers are all 99 cents at Hobby Lobby. So I picked up 3 of them. I picked up some extra bobbins because my Singer machine seems to work better with the, what type of bobbins are these? I don't know, what metal bobbins. Yeah, metal bobbins than the plastic ones. It seems to sew better, and they don't get caught like they were getting caught all the time, because my machine was being down, so that was causing me some backup. So I do have to cut interfacing for this, and I don't have to do the front. Why the back need interfacing? I don't know why the back need interfacing. I don't know, y'all. I don't know if I'm making interfacing, but yeah, I can make the back lay down without putting interfacing on it. So I'm just going to leave it like it is and go from there. And then I bought a new pattern today, which is the holiday Monday, McCall 8292. I want to make these pants, and I want to make them out of blue jeans. So what I'm going to do is share that process with you guys. I'm going to gather up a bunch of jeans, put them all together, and then I'm going to cut out the patterns. There's a lot of pieces to this pattern. Uh, it's a lot of fabric too. I think it's 4.5. Let me see. 4.5 yards for 16. No, 18. So I'm gonna cut it out in 18 because it's gonna be out of jeans. I don't know. I might rethink it once I get it cut and see if I can do it in the 18. I might do it in a 20 because I want them to fit loose. I don't want them to be tight. So I want them to be either 18 and fit perfect, or a 20 and fit a little loose. So I'll make that decision when I come to it. So I'm gonna do B is, I don't know what the difference is, y'all. If y'all can help me out, B just seems like, for me, it would work because I'm short. And C is really, really long. This is C, and this is B. So I was trying to look at it to see what the difference was, and I think that looking at the line drawings on the back, I don't know if y'all can see those. Yeah, it looks a slight bit longer, and that's about it. But I'm thinking the ones that are short may work for me, so we will see. I said I've already made the skirt for the top here, and I need to finish putting in the hem, and I also need to put in elastic. So I'm not done with that part of that project there. So that's what your girl been working on. That's what I've been doing. I hope y'all been doing okay. I hope I remembered to give a shout out to Yashira in the last video, and then not the last video, but yeah, the last video, I think it was Yashira. And then also I had a request from another lady. I did mention her name. Reynard. I can't think of the first name, y'all. Oof. God, my memory is gone today because your girl tired. But I did work also on my I got my thing on here. My off the cuff dress. I have been working on that. I have not finished it yet. Yeah. So here's my black and white maxi. I am putting in side panels. Hold on, let me see if I can give you guys a look-see. Hold on, let me get it together. Hopefully y'all can see it. Let me step back some. So this is the black and white off the cuff dress. This is just a dress that I just cut out of some fabric. I didn't have a pattern for it. I just cut it, and I'm putting in some side panels here on the side to give me a little bit more room, because your girl need more room. And it's got like spaghetti straps, so I gotta finish. I'm looking in the mirror over here. I need to finish putting in the straps and stuff like that, and putting in the panel on this side. Okay, so that's what I'm working on. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be working on this week. And let's see, hold on a second, you guys. Yeah, so hopefully I'm in the frame. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? I hope you guys are enjoying your holiday weekend. I know I had a full weekend. I really enjoyed myself. I have been busy, busy, busy. But everything, it is what it is. I have been enjoying myself. So I also had another date last night. So things are going well. I went on another, like a evening date after I had an event the same day. So I decided, yeah, I got a last minute call, and he was like, hey, you want to go on a date? And I was like, yeah, sure, why not? So yeah, I went on a date. And I didn't have nothing else to share with y'all. I just wanted to share with you guys what I'm working on this week. Projects that I finished, and my supervisor is growling at I don't know who because ain't nobody around. Yeah, projects that I've been working I finished that I was working on while I was on vacation. Projects that I have started. and projects that I need to finish this week. So hopefully I will have a video uploaded this week with the off the cuff dress and with the tutorial of the um, new look top that was asked for. I think her name was Rose. I think it was Rose. I hope that's what it was. Hey y'all, hey. And I want to say hi to my new subscribers that subscribed to me over the weekend. On my date, I went to an art show. I'll share some pictures in the top. I'll put it up in the top, show y'all a little bit of the art that was being presented. And if you want to buy some, hey, hit your girl in email and let me know. It's not mine. It's a local artist. And I just happened to be, we just randomly walked in, was getting something to eat. Just randomly walked in on an art show. So we enjoyed that and had a good time. And I told the young lady that I would give her a shout out. I do not remember her name, but she did subscribe to the channel. So I am saying hi, and leave me a comment with your name again so I know who you are. I like to know who is subscribed to my channel. I would appreciate that. And yeah, I think I said a mouthful. But your girl is looking to get a new sewing machine. I'm looking at the Quantum 9960, and it is like about $500. So I don't know, y'all. Maybe somebody will sponsor your girl. Who knows? If y'all know somebody who knows somebody who knows somebody, let me know. Let me know, and I'll reach out to them because I really would like to get a new machine. I really would, because I keep having problems with my Singer. I know I can, my Singer Soulmate, it keeps catching for some reason, and I probably could take it in and have it serviced and it'll be fine. But I just want a new sewing machine, okay? And I'm probably going to use that one to the death along with my Serger. I think I'm going to put up my gray sewing machine, my heavy duty sewing machine. I think I'm going to put that one away if I get the Quantum. So if you don't know what that is, this is Singer Quantum 9960. You can look it up, and it is really a nice computerized digital sewing machine with over 600 stitches, I think, maybe 600 stitches, and then a couple of more other stitches after that. And I've been working on with stitches. Let me show y'all what I did. Hold on. I wanted to grab my sewing machine and to figure out what kind of stitches it made. So I took a piece of fabric that I had, and I kind of like printed out all the stitches on the machine so I know what they would look like. And so I have all these stitches, and the buttonhole ones you can't put on there unless you use the buttonhole. But I have all the way from 1 to 50 on these two pads. Oh yeah, and I also did some other upcycling. I don't know what I forgot that, y'all. Now I forgot, because this took me a while. I did do another dress. Okay, y'all see that? All right, and I will do a reveal of the dress. So it was supposed to be a top, but I turned it into a dress. And it's really, really cute. Let me know what y'all think. It's really, really cute. It's going to be cute. It is another halter. And, these dresses, I make them like this because I can wear them with a top under them if I want to. Long sleeve, short sleeve, whatever. I could tuck something in for the fall. So this dress is very versatile. I love it. And I also made another bustier, which I can also wear with like a white shirt. Could you just see it with a white tee or a white long sleeve button down shirt? And this goes around like this, and it is my all of these are my own design. And a lot of times the reason why I don't really share when I'm working on my upcycles is because it's a lot of work and a lot of thought goes into it, and I really have to concentrate. And if I'm trying to get different angles and stuff like that, it could be a little bit difficult sometimes. But if y'all would like to see me do a recycle, and y'all say y'all gonna watch the video with me through the process, some parts I can speed up, make it look like it's a little bit faster or whatever have you, and go from there. So yeah, but yeah, I'd say I've been busy. I've been taking good time for my time off that I've been off. Here's the front and here's the back. Okay, I know y'all really probably can't see it. If I button it up, y'all probably can see it, but I don't feel like buttoning it up right now. So, yeah, I don't feel like buttoning it up right now. So, but this is basically the top. And let me see if I can get y'all a closer look at it from a different angle. So, yeah, that's the top. And yeah, just kind of like, put it together and came up with the design. And as I go, I just lay stuff and I try it on and I see if I like it. If I don't like it, then I'm like, no, I don't like that. And like this was all unfinished here, pieces in the front. And I decided to put, the lining to kind of like finish it off so to look a little bit, what I mean by lining or piping, should I call it piping? This right here, this finished the look for me. So it gave it, what's the word I want to say? A finished look. It gave it more of a finished look, even though it would have been fine because it's an upcycle. It would have been fine with open edges, but I just wanted something more. And yeah, I think that gave me my something more. So yeah, that's what I was doing and on vacation. And the zippers do open. There's a zipper also in the back down here at the bottom, and it opens as well. So hopefully you can see that. Let me make sure y'all can see it. There's a zipper there, and that zipper opens up as well at the bottom right here. So you can see that. Yeah, so I think it's really cute, and I think when I do the reveal, got to get some cute shoes I want to wear with it. And like I said, this is also something that you could wear a shirt under, and you can wear it all year round. And it is all stretch fabric, stretch jean fabric. And it was two pair of like Calvin Klein pants that I cut up. But I kept the Calvin Klein label and I put it back on there. And then I'll put my label in it as well. So, yeah. So I was busy, but y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. And I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, you stay blessed. God loves you. If he wakes you up another day, you have a purpose. So make sure that you do something with that purpose, with that wake up call. All right? So thank you guys for joining me. I appreciate those who are new to the channel. I appreciate those who are not new to the channel that keep coming back and supporting your girl, leaving me comments, showing me love, or whatever have you. I appreciate you all. So with that said, this is Jay Sotastic. So what? I don't know, but we did some upcycling. We did some revamps, and we doing an off the cuff, and we are doing a tutorial. So your girl is busy. All right, y'all. I will see y'all in the next video. Until then, take care, y'all. Bye.